project today is making a Mother's Day card. It is very fun. It says, Happy Mother's Day from your little love bug. And then we get to make a bug to go in the jar. We are going to be making the jug using our fingerprints and washable markers. So to get started, we will take a washable marker, like this, and a finger, like that. And on the finger, we just will draw kind of a circle or an oval, the shape of our bug, and then stamp it on the paper. There we go. Then we can take and draw on our wings or whatever else we want to add. Maybe we will put 2 little wings as our bug flies away. Little antennae. And that is as simple as it is. Let's talk about some of the different options with our bugs. You can fingerprint the body and draw on the wings, or you can fingerprint the body and fingerprint the wings. You can fingerprint the wings and draw on the body. So many different ways to do it. We can look at these 3 bees done 3 different ways. So this one, the bee is upright, this one it's flying, this one it has the fingerprint body and then fingerprint wings, where these ones the wings are drawn on. So there's so many different ways that you can do this. If you want to string a whole bunch, like say you have a long bug, you can take and do fingerprints all the way across, like for this little caterpillar. Another time you might use that is in a long dragonfly like this. Might need fingerprints across to get the long body. A different way to do something long would be to do one like this dragonfly. For that one, you fingerprint the side of your finger, or put the marker on the side of your finger and print down. And I even did the wings the same way with this, just crisscrossing when we added our prints. You can do your wings different, you can do your antennae different. Let's look at antennae. Find some with different antennae. Here we go. So this one, just a simple little V. This one has the little dots on the end of the antennae, and this one has curlicues. Lots of different ways to do it. Let's look at legs. For legs, oh, that little caterpillar is good because he has little pokey legs. You can do legs with little dots on them. You could do more spider-like legs that go up and down to have that little bent angle. You can do legs or no legs. Like look at these cute little ladybugs. This one has legs, this one doesn't. Either way, you can decide. How about for the heads? For the head, it can be different too. You can do a fingerprint head and put all kinds of eyes, like for a spider. You can take the regular print and just draw a face on that. Or you can take, like for these butterflies, and draw the head shape on. So you can do it however you want. Just have fun and make your own personalized little bug that is just like you for your mom for Mother's Day. So we're going to take this bigger jar and fill the whole thing with all kinds of different bugs. Here we go.